فَوَيْلٌ لِلَّذِينَ يَكْتُبُونَ الْكِتَابَ بِأَيْدِيهِمْ ثُمَّ يَقُولُونَ هَذَا مِنْ عِنْدِ اللَّهِ لِيَشْتَرُوا بِهِ ثَمَنًا قَلِيلًا فَوَيْلٌ لَهُمْ مِمَّا كَتَبَتْ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَوَيْلٌ لَهُمْ مِمَّا يَكْسِبُونَ। इस आयत का ये तर्जुमा है, बस हलाकी है उन लोगों के लिए जो अपने हाथों से शरीयत तसनीफ़ करते हैं। जी हाँ, आपने सही सुना, अपने हाथों से शरीयत तसनीफ़ करते हैं, फिर दावा करते हैं कि अल्लाह की जानिब से है, ताकि इसके ज़रिए से थोड़ी सी कीमत हासिल कर लें। बस इनके लिए हलाकी है इस चीज़ के सबब से जो उनके हाथों से लिखी, और उनके लिए हलाकी है उस चीज़ के सबब से जो वो कमाते हैं। Same translation in English of this ayat. So, woe to the learned people who write the law with their own hands and then say to the people, "This is from Allah," so that they might gain some paltry worldly end. They do not see that this writing of their hands will bring woe to them, and what they gain thereby will lead to their ruin. Yes, so the Deen-e-Muhammadi which has reached us is not the truth. There is lot of manipulation and fabrication. Shariat, yours is yours, mine is mine. Tariqat, yours is yours, mine is yours too. And Marifat says, this is neither mine nor yours. Baba Bulleh Shah Rahmatullah Alayhi says, you have learnt so much and read 1,000 books. Have you ever read yourself? You have gone to mosques and temples. Have you ever visited your soul? You're busy fighting Satan. Have you ever fought your ill intentions? You have reached into the skies, but you have failed to reach what's in your heart. You know, you love what you obey, and you obey what you love. So be careful what you love. In fact, the true man attaches his heart to none but God. Yes, so there would be only love for God. And how do you express that love of God? By loving His creation, by serving the Creator's creation with love and kindness, giving that unconditional love like a mother to a child, and not being judgmental. Think about it.